This is the 6th grade Social Studies Unit 5 assessment on Europe. This will work just like any other video that you use. So you can go back and re-listen to it. However, you need to do it as many times as you need to do it to be able to answer your questions. Number 1. According to the excerpt, cultural diffusion in parts of Europe has resulted in violent social unrest, A. B. Segregation of women. C. Tension between groups. D. Adoption of new traditions. Number 2. Based on the excerpt, French culture influenced English culture by F. Adding a variety of new books to English literature. G. Introducing new economic concepts to the English. H. Producing a new dictionary for the English language. J. Transforming the vocabulary of the English language. Number 3. How did the events above shape political patterns in Europe? A. Most governments in Europe are limited. B. Europe is dominated by one political party. C. The European Union governs all of Europe. D. Many European nations are ruled by dictators. The architectural example above is common throughout much of Western Europe. This type of architecture reflects the cultural influence of F. Wealthy donors in Europe. G. Christian values in Europe. H. Greek philosophy in Europe. Or J. Cultural convergence in Europe. The work of art shown above continues to be studied by artists around the world. It was produced by a famous Italian artist of the European Renaissance. What is the title of this work? A. Self-Portrait. B. Mona Lisa. C. Last Supper. D. The Knight's Bride. Number 6. The above listed men made a lasting contribution to European culture by F. Creating folktales and stories. G. Introducing new political ideas. H. Producing master works of art. Or J. Composing famous symphonies. Number 7. The conditions listed above are evident in France, Germany, and Great Britain, as these societies deal with the challenges created by A. Poverty. B. Multiculturalism. C. Lack of education. D. European Union policies. The next few questions are based on the map above. You can look at the map on your paper, or you can scroll back up to the map on the computer. 8. Based on the map, what geographic pattern was characteristic of Europe in 1980? F. Western Europe and Eastern Europe were divided by an imaginary boundary. G. Many of the countries in Western Europe had unified to form the European Union. H. A physical barrier was erected between France in the west and Germany in the east. J. Many countries in Europe chose to be neutral and not aligned with any other nations. Number 9. Based on the map, which peninsula is home to the countries labeled 4 and 5? A. Balkan. B. Iberian. C. Jutland. D. Scandinavian. Number 10. Which of the following correctly identifies the location of European countries based on the map? F. 1 England, 2 France, 3 Spain, 4 Sweden, 5 Norway. G, 1 England, 2 Spain, 3 France, 4 Norway, 5 Sweden. H, 1 England, 2 France, 3 Spain, 4 Norway, 5 Sweden. Or J, 1 France, 2 England, 3 Spain, 4 Sweden, 5 Norway. Number 11, based on the map, what natural resource helped to support industrial development in both Britain and Germany? A, iron, B, coal, C, natural gas, D, petroleum. Number 12. During the Middle Ages, Europe was characterized by feudal warfare between knights trying to control small kingdoms. As a result, Europe today is politically divided into F, numerous small nation-states, G, many different ethnic enclaves, H, French or English-speaking nations, J, European Union and non-union members. Number 13. What religious tradition is most common in the culture of many European societies? A, Islam, B, Judaism, C, Hinduism, D, Christianity. Number 14. What event of the mid-1900s greatly contributed to increased cooperation between European nations? F, outbreak of war in Southeast Asia, G, emergence of powerful nations in Africa, H, economic competition from the United States, J, devastation caused by the Second World War. Number 15. How does physical geography in Europe affect the distribution of goods? A, warm, temperate climate allows for year-round work in Europe. B, mountain barriers have closed off access to overland routes in Europe. C, numerous highways have been built across the northern European plains. Or D, navigable rivers and harbors provide many European cities with trading ports. Number 16. Europe is considered a peninsula of peninsulas, which explains why many countries in the region F, experience very cold climate conditions, G, depend on the sea for economic growth, H, lack political connections with each other, or J, use terrace farming to support the population. Number 17. Which feature would be most characteristic of socialist economic systems in many European nations? A, low taxation rates, B, very few small businesses, C, state-owned collective farms, or D, government-managed healthcare. Number 18. Travel throughout Europe is facilitated by an extensive railroad system. This system is an example of which type of industry? F, retail, G, service, H, agricultural, J, manufacturing. Number 19. Europe has a history characterized by instances of conflict and cooperation between cultures. Most recently, many European nations have been working to cooperate by A, isolating the United States, B, forming the European Union, C, reducing stockpiles of weapons, or D, limiting immigration to the region. Number 20. Based on the information in the table, the level of economic development in Europe is best described as F, none developed, G, less developed, H, newly developed, or J, more developed. Number 21. Based on the information in the table, what is one way that many governments in Europe are similar? A, most are considered to be limited monarchies. B, they were modeled after the U.S. government. C, power is shared between two executive leaders, or D, revolutions brought about the political systems. That's the end of the test. You may go back and listen to any of the questions that you need to again. Be sure that you pay careful attention to the charts where questions are about the charts. Good luck.